post. Just do it, you know? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I need to open my box, please. Okay, please? Yeah, okay. Are you kidding, Joe? Not anymore. Come back. Just waiting to. Jesus. Keys come back. Going to the light. Randolph. I see. Stop slamming it. Oh, pop this stuff out. Again with slamming the door.
Loves to slam the door. Don't know why. Fucking bitch. Oh, it doesn't even know how to fucking behave properly.